Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art and the Hollywood Carney channel on YouTube. I would like to welcome you to my art studio today, and this is it. This is where I walk into every morning. It's my happy place. Well, hopefully you will get as much enjoyment out of it as I do. I do collect a little of everything, as you will notice. That's my mannequin man Gordon. This is a piece of my vintage art that I did about 15 years ago of Madonna. And when I do a large decoupage canvas like this, I paint the background first, adhere the pictures, and then I use 3D fabric paint. Those were fun to do at the time. So let's see what else is in here. So she's new and I haven't named her yet. I do have a large collection of tarot cards, and I have even more in the drawer, but I'll show you that on another video. Those are some malas I made. This is the corner of my office. As you can see, I put a lot of stuff in not a very big space. So I work my way up toward the walls to the ceiling and take advantage of every nook and cranny that I have. Look at this piece that holds my paper. I paid $4 for that last week at a thrift shop. I also try to label everything. That way I know where exactly everything is. And this is actually a ribbon holder, and I turned it upside down and I use it for my vials of beads. I have to see every single color that I have, and it just makes it a lot easier for me to pull and grab and select. And in the corner there, I have my jewelry findings right on my desk, a vintage mirror, an old-fashioned sewing machine. Underneath my sewing machine, I have about 35 boxes of beads, and my lucky beckoning cat for prosperity for my business. And I love reading about all of the metaphysical world and the crystals and the stones and the beads and the oils and the soaps, and about what makes the craft world go around. So, so let's see what else is here. Okay, so underneath all of these boxes, which are jewelry findings, I have delicate semi-precious stones. And across the room, I keep my sewing supplies in that little shelf with the doors. And let's take a quick look inside. I also have beach glass and feathers and patches and thread and oh my gosh, too much. And above my TV is the paintbrushes of my late aunt. She was a wonderful artist and always inspires me to keep going and keep creating. So please join me on my next video where I open all of the bead boxes and pull all the drawers out so we can see what's inside and all the stamps and the things that you missed. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Bye.